Hey everyone, we are live in Vang Vieng again. This is Ko, my new friend. Okay, we're about to go to what they call the Blue Lagoon. Apparently you can go for a swim. I don't know if I'm going to do that, but we're about to cross the bridge, so I'm going to let you guys watch. Alright, we're crossing in a car on this bridge. Pretty amazing. Check out the view. I think I flew over all that the other day in the paramotor where we went down into the river. Alright. Bumpy. Bumpy. Okay, we're gonna cross another bridge. Second bridge. Alright. Whoa, okay. Let's see how we... Okay. We're going into the middle of nowhere. Sort of. We're in the middle of somewhere. Okay. These are like local shops and people's homes and stuff. So I think people live here. Like that's a house, I think. That too. They have a satellite dish. And I think we're going up like near the mountain or something. Ko was driving. Alright, we are approaching nowhere. Nowhere fast. Gorgeous out here. I'm gonna honk at people to move. Cheers, people. Laos is a very beautiful country. Very beautiful country, man. I'm proud to be here. The people are so nice. They're really shy. The people are like really shy for some reason. I think it's because they have tourists, but they don't have that many tourists. So, you know, they don't really have to learn much English. Down in the south in Vientiane, they speak less English than they do here because people don't really go to that city as much. They come here because this is more like a party city. It's like a tourist city. Kind of like a getaway. And later today I'm going to Luang Prabang. I'm leaving on the bus for Luang Prabang later today. I've had enough of Vang Vieng. I'm done. So we gotta honk at people to get off the road. These are little homes, countryside homes. There's like a bee cave over there. I don't even know what that means. A lot of deforestation. Like there's no trees left. You know, they still have the mountains, but they're killing the nature, which is not good. Sorry guys, the connection is bad because we're in the middle of nowhere, basically. So it might go on and off here and there. These kids are coming home from school. They were in school, but it's like, I don't know, maybe it's lunchtime from school, I don't know. Hey, what's up, Derek? What's going on, man? Yeah, man, I never keep still. You can see, it's beautiful out here. Yeah, man, I never keep still, I keep going. These are just like country homes. It's kind of surreal being out here. You know, it's just me and a guy I met like 2 minutes ago. It's the middle of nowhere. There's no way to describe that. I think everybody should experience this at some point in their life, regardless of the country, regardless of where you are. There's no way to write about it or really talk about it. That's why I'm going Facebook Live these days, because I want to show you guys. Because maybe if you see it the way that I see it, you'll understand what I'm saying. But it's, the people here don't make that much money. They might make like maybe $100 a month, if that. Probably less. But that's enough to live. That's enough to have food, a place. You know, a lot of the families share their money. They share their homes so that they can afford to live together and have a place. Look at that mountain. It's crazy how it just climbs up out of nowhere. That means it's a young mountain. Some cool cars going by. Yeah, we always gotta watch out for the cows. This is common. In every country I've been to, there's always cows on the street. Cows or dogs, just on the street. You gotta honk at them and they move. They know what's up. I think we're getting close to our destination. Of course, there's pizza and pasta out here. Pizza and pasta at the Blue Lagoon.
Okay, you pay for ticket at 10,000, what does it?
10,000.
Yeah.
Alright, I gotta pay these guys. One second. Here's a 50. Okay. Gotta get my change. Thank you. Alright. This is 40,000.
How long did you stay?
30 minutes.
50 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, I stay here.
Okay, where is it?
I stay here. We can show here.
Okay. Alright. Let's go see this place.
Okay, I stay here.
All right, I'll see you. First, hi. You're live. You're live on Facebook. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
언니 저거 한번 타지 미끄럽다. 아니 그거 돈 냈잖아. 아니 소용없어. 한번 내면은 저기까지 타도 되고. 안 내면
This is basically a glorified lake pool. So I think it's where people come to swim, get a tan, relax. It's very touristy. Very touristy. Not my cup of tea. I like to hang out with the locals, as you guys know. Cheers. See where this goes. And it goes nowhere. We are nowhere. Dead end. So this is it. It's a tiny pool. There was a lot of hype about this place. A lot of you should see this. I think I've seen it. Maybe I'll go do that. Jump in the water business over there. People just chilling from the sun. A little underwhelmed. Let's go this way. All right. Let's go talk to some people. Let's make some friends. Sabadi, how are you? Do you guys have beer lao? Yeah? Sabadi, you are on Facebook. Live.
Okay.
America.
Okay.
We need to see your store here. Your store. Yes. Do you want one? Okay, let's get. All right. One for you. One for me. One for him.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then one. Where's the other guy? Where'd he go? Okay, he's gone.
Okay,
Just three. Just three.
I like.
You like this?
Okay.
Huh? Yeah. Okay. You get what you like.
I like. Okay.
Perfect. Yeah. Whoop. All right. We're gonna hang out on Facebook Live at Blue Lagoon. Do you guys want one? Yeah.
Okay.
Cheers
Okay.
to Lao and Blue Lagoon. Here, you hold this. You want one? Hold this. Just hold it. Hold it. No. Hold. Careful. Okay. Ooh, careful. All right.
เจ๊ก็เลยงอกเลยหูเจ๊บนเดบุเห็นอันมีอันนั้นบนเด
Yeah, there you go.
แบบว่าอันจับเลยอ่ะมันอันนั่นหรอ
One more.
ธรรมดา
It's a
โบ
video.
บุคือเขากินน้ำเนาะ
That's a video. Huh?
โทรศัพท์
Chicken?
โทรศัพท์มันนี่แหละเขาว่าบอยมอนยาไดมอนโทรศัพท์นี่แหละ
In 5 minutes. Not right now.
เอาวะเกิน อันนี้มี5 minutes ต้องคืนก่อนโอ้มาคนผมมาเลยเนี่ยโอ้ออกเลยไปเอาไหนกินเบียร์เดี๋ยวลูกอะไรเนาะ
เอามาเอาได้ปดแค่แล้วได้เนี่ย
This is a good life.
โอ้จับจ้องยันน่ะใช่แล้วมันก็อันนั้นติดอันนั้นที่หันเลย
Where's your house?
บริบีใส่ติบอก
House.
พี่พีทก็เดิมเนาะ
Your home.
นั่งอยู่ซีบ่มีผู้สาวนะอันนั้นเป็นยังไงนั่งคันนั่งอยู่ซีก็ต้องมีค่าจ้างก็เขียนระบบ
มาให้ของคุณอ่านหมอเอากันนะโอ้ยกินแต่เบียร์
Hello, America. And Lao. Hello, Lao in America.
ลาอเมริกา
America, Lao. Ameri Lao. Lao America.
แม่กินแล้วบ่กินตู้กินเมิดบ่
ยิ้มแน่เขากองค่ะ
จะพูดแน่
Cup. This is cum. Hot. Hot.
โคตรข
เสื้อสกุล
Ali. Come. Hot. Ali. And you. 3. Name.
ตามสื่อลาว
Subsida.
ำโอ้ซื้อแท้แล้วเนาะ
This is Subsida. Go this way.
ท้ายหูเพื่อน
Subsida.
ว่าเองแม่เห็น
เปิดอย่าพูดแบบ
ทำใส
Cup side.
เออ
Yeah, that's cup side. And you?
เกียง
Young. And little one?
น้อย
Oh, no.
สุพรรณษา
สา
Show the baby.
เอาให้เห็นทางล่างแอร์ปิดหน้าปิดแอร์
ไอ้นาเบิ้งแม่เกียงแม่ทั้งนั้นลูกทั้งนั้น
อายเรื่องนี้เนาะ
โอ้ยรุดมือลงนี่เด้เนาะไปใส่ข้าวก็จะใกล้เกืองยิ่งก็พอเนี่ย ยิ้มได้ไหมเจ้ากันเลย
Huh? Oh, there we go. Baby. Yeah.
มือเดี๋ยวเนาะทางนี้เนาะบ๊ายบายเธอได้ไหมแอร์
บายไหมลูกบายไหมลูก
Who's hello?
เลี้ยงอปิกมาจากส้ม
Who's baby? Who's baby?
โอเค
No.
ค่ะ
Okay. Who's mother father?
อ๋อ
Who's mother? Who's
โอ้
father?
ถามพ่อแม่มัน
Father?
no
Father? No.
โฮม
Oh, okay.
อืม
So you can look at me. These are very nice people who you work here. Okay, they work at the Blue Lagoon.
yeah
Okay, and they're having lunch and relaxing under this because no sun. You know, this is cool from the sun. So I just got them a couple drinks, so we're hanging out.
yeah
You know, I find that when I travel,
โอ้
the
คน
best
เบิ้ง
way
สอง
to
คน
make
นึงไง
friends is the best way to
คน
make
เบิ่งมันสอง
friends
คนเท่ากัน
is buy something for someone, right? And it's not about the money; it's about the gesture that you're being nice to them. You know, the gesture that no matter what language